Hello and welcome to my how-to video on Quickshots for the DJI Mini 2 SE. Quickshots are a great easy way of creating some interesting shots with little effort. There are 5 of them ready to use on this drone. I'm going to talk you through each of them so you can see what they look like and how to create them. Alright, so first thing to do, take off. I'm using the automated takeoff. So you press and hold the left hand button there and then press and hold again, take off. When you let go,
take off.
The drone takes off.
Updated.
So let's get it a bit higher. Right, I'm going to do a dronie here. Back up slightly. So dronie then, so what we do, you need to pick on the right hand side, click the film strip, and then you want Quickshots, and then dronie. That gives you a little example of what it looks like. Minimise that, that's wrong, I need to do that again, dronie. Oh, it's ready, and then we need to press, you tap away from that, that's correct, and then you draw a box around your subject, so in that case it's me. Pick your distance at the bottom, let's pick 70 meters, and then start.
3,
Get a countdown.
2, 1.
Basically what it does is reverses and climbs away from you until it reaches the distance that you set. So I set 70 meters, so at the minute we're 20 odd meters. It's keeping going, there's nothing behind it that I can see. Got a nice panoramic shot of the field that I'm in at the minute. So on the right hand side you've got a progress bar, nearly there, 95%. It'll finish recording, get to 100%, and then it automatically returns back to its start point. So it's not recording this bit here, it just says returning. I could cancel it by pressing the red X on the right hand side. I don't want to do that, I don't need to do that. Put it back over and then I can demonstrate the next one. And there we go. So that's a dronie. So back where it started. So again on the right hand side, click the dronie icon. We're going to do a rocket. So you get a little image there, a little video of what a rocket looks like. Now we need to press rocket for it to show that. So basically it's going to take off straight up and keep looking down at the same point. So again, draw a box around what you want the subject to be. So again, that's me. Altitude, let's pick, let's go 70 again. Okay, press start.
3,
Gonna get another countdown.
2, 1.
So progress on the left hand side at the bottom. You've got the height which is changing, so 20 meters. So what did I set it to? 70 meters. So we're going to go quite high here. Not the most interesting of things to see in the middle of a field. That kind of gives you an idea. Again on the right hand side you've got the progress indicator, nearly there, 90%. Actually got to 73 meters. So what it should do again is come back down. Yep. Okay. Next one then. So press the dronie icon. So we've got a couple more. We've got circle, Helix and boomerang. So let's do circle. So you get a little video there of what it looks like. So press away from it. Let's back up actually, just so we get a wider circle. Change the gimbal, so no, wrong way. About there. Let's do a circle there, maybe a bit higher, and then change the gimbal. Okay, that'll do. Okay, so draw a box around subject, and then so for this one you get an option of clockwise or anti-clockwise, so pick which way you want and then press start. 3, 2, 1, you get another countdown.
2, 1.
So I'm just checking, yeah, I'm fine. I've clear of these goalposts. Didn't go very high for this one. Progress bar again on the right hand side. And when it's complete with this one, this is a bit different in that when it's complete, it's already where it started, so it doesn't need to return home. Next one, the Helix. So it's a similar idea. It's going to rotate away from the point that you pick, but it's climbing all the time, whereas last time it wasn't. So let's try that. Box, and you get maximum radius. Let's leave it at 30 meters. Okay, start.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're going the opposite way this time. That must be what I picked. So you see, this time we're doing a circle, but we're climbing at the same time. You see the GPS track on the bottom left hand side of what it's currently doing. So there, I think it's got to 30 meters. Yeah, it's completed, and it's going to return back down. So it's right in front of me now. It's coming straight down towards me. Okay, nearly there. What's next? So on the right hand side, press the symbol just above start and boomerang. So that's going to do a circle around you, but in kind of a big arc like it's demonstrating there. So we'll press away, draw a box around the subject, which is me. And this one you don't get a distance, but you get an option of clockwise or anti-clockwise. Check for any obstacles, there isn't any, so press start. 3, 2, 1.
2, 1.
Okay, so it's going round. I think it's climbing, and then when it gets probably about halfway, it'll start descending again. Yeah, there we go, just about complete, and it's back where it started, so it doesn't need to do the return back to start points. Hope you found that useful. Write any questions in the comments below, and happy droning.